Sometimes God breaks what was never meant to stand. He lets the storm hit, not to destroy you, but to rebuild you stronger than before. You lost people, you lost peace. But you didn't lose God. He's still there, in every tear, in every silence, turning your pain into purpose. The same hands that allowed your heart to break are now shaping something new, something divine. So don't curse your storm.